Hello, let us express these decimal fractions in standard form. Solution. When you compare the questions in this example to those in the previous video, you will see that we have more than one non-zero in this decimal fraction. So how do we do this type of numbers? So for A, we have 0.00065. So in the other video, we had just one non-zero number, but now we have two. So to express this, we'll identify the first non-zero, and that is 6. And then we'll put a decimal point, and then the other non-zeros, or the other digits that follow this first non-zero, will then come. So since we have 5, we then put it as 6.5. And then this will be divided by, now we count the number of digits that come after the decimal point. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, we have 1 and then 5 zeros, giving us 100,000. This can then be expressed as 6.5 divided by 10 with the power of 5. Now if we take this further, that is, we have 6.5 multiplied by 1 over 10 raised to the power of 5. And when we follow the law of indices, it would mean that we have 6.5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 5. That way, we have changed this positive index to negative index. Now let's do B. For question B, we have 0.00721. This means we're going to have, now just like we did in the first one in question A, we'll also identify the first non-zero digit, and that is 7. So after that, we put a decimal point, and then we rule out the other numbers that follow. So we have 21, that is 7.21 over. Now let's count the number of digits that follow the decimal point. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, we have 1 followed by 5 zeros. That gives us 100,000. Now this means we have 7.25 over, now writing this in index form, would have 10 with the power of 5. Now taking it further, we will then have 7.21 multiplied by 1 over 10 raised to the power 5. And then when we follow the law of indices, which will help us to change this positive index to negative index, we will then have it as 7.21 times 10 raised to the power minus 5. So in our conclusion, we say that 0.00065 equals 6.5 times 10 raised to the power minus 5, and then 0.00721 equals 7.21 times 10 raised to the power minus 5. Thank you.